Hello students. Next chapter, counting principles. First, definition of set. Well-defined collection of objects is called set. Object themselves can be almost anything, numbers, books, cities, animals, flowers, etc. For example, A equal to set of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. B equal to set of keyboard, joystick, mouse, scanner. Next definition, cardinality of set. Number of elements in the set is called cardinality of set. Notation, order of F or cardinality of A. Next, this is the hashtag means number of A. For example, if A equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then order of A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means order of A equal to 6. There are 6 numbers in set A, so order of A equal to 6. And if A equal to empty set, then order of A equal to 0. And if A is subset of B, then order of A less equal order of B. Next, power set. Set of all subsets of set A is called as power set of A and it is denoted as P of A. For example, find power set of A equal to set of 1, 2 means P of A means all subsets of set A. First empty set, next set containing single element means single set 1, single set 2. Next set containing two elements 1, 2. This is nothing but the power set of A. Empty set, singleton 1, singleton 2 and 1, 2. Next example. If A equal to A, B, C, D, find power set of A. All subsets of A having 0 element is empty set. Next, all subsets of A having 1 element, singleton A, singleton B, singleton C, singleton D. All subsets of A having 2 elements, AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, all subsets of A having 3 elements, ABC, ABD, ACD and BCD. All subsets of A having 4 elements, A, B, C, D. This is nothing but the power set of A. Next, remark, if order of A equal to n, then order of power set of A equal to 2 raised to n. Here, set containing 4 elements and order of P of A is 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Next, if A equal to set of A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on A10, find order of power set of A. Clearly, here order of A equal to 10 means order of P of A equal to 2 raised to 10. If A equal to empty set, then find order of P of A. Clearly, order of A equal to 0. So, order of P of A equal to 2 raised to 0, which is equal to 1. Next, factorial notation. The continued product of the first n natural numbers is called factorial n. It is denoted by n factorial or gamma of n. For example, 5 factorial equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. In general, n factorial equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on into n minus 1 into n. Next, let A and B be finite non-empty sets such that order of A equal to m, order of B equal to n. Then there are n raised to m different possible functions from A to B. Next, let A and B be non-empty finite sets such that order of A equal to m, order of B equal to n and m less equal n. Then the number of injective functions from A to B is n factorial upon n minus m factorial. Condition for m and n is m less equal n. Then the number of injective functions from A to B is n factorial upon n minus m factorial. Next example. Let A and B be sets such that order of A equal to 4, order of B equal to 5. Find the number of functions from A to B. Also find the number of functions from B to A. Here order of A equal to 4, order of B equal to 5. Means m equal to 4, n equal to 5. Therefore, number of functions from A to B is 5 raised to 4 and number of functions from B to A means B to A. So, order of B first 5, order of A equal to 4. Then here m equal to 5, n equal to 4. So, number of functions from B to A is 4 raised to 5. Next example. How many injective functions from A equal to set of A1, A2, A3 to B equal to B1, B2, B3, B4, B5? Here order of A equal to m, which is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3, and order of B equal to n, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 less than 5. Therefore, number of injective functions from A to B equal to n factorial upon n minus m factorial equal to 5 factorial upon 5 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 5 factorial upon 2 factorial, means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 upon 1 into 2, 2 to get cancel, 1 1 get cancel, which is equal to 60. So, there are 60 injective functions from A to B. Next, counting principles. First, addition principle means sum rule. If one experiment E1 has m possible outcomes and another experiment E2 has n possible outcomes, then there are m plus n possible outcomes when exactly one of these experiment take place. Next, generalized addition principle. If experiments E1, E2, E3 and so on, En has M1, M2, M3 and so on, Mn possible outcomes respectively, then there are M1 plus M2 plus and so on plus Mn possible outcomes when exactly one of these experiment take place. For example, suppose there are 5 roads from city A to city B and 3 roads from city B to city C. Therefore, number of ways to go from A to B or B to C is here A, B, city A, B, city B. There are 5 roads from city A to city B. First, second, third, fourth, 5. City A to city B. And 3 roads from city B to city C. One, two, 3. Means number of ways to go from city A to B or B to C is nothing but the 5 plus 3. That is, there are 5 plus 3 equal to 8 different ways to go from A to B or B to C. Next principle, multiplication principle. If one experiment E1 has m possible outcomes and another experiment E2 has n possible outcomes, then there are m into n possible outcomes when both the experiment take place simultaneously. Generalized multiplication principle. If experiments E1, E2 and so on En has m1, m2 and so on mn possible outcomes respectively, then there are m1 into m2 into m3 into and so on mn possible outcomes when all experiments take place simultaneously. For example, suppose there are 5 roads from city A to city B and 3 roads from city B to city C. Then number of ways to go from A to C via B are A, B, C. 5 roads from city A to city B, 1, 2, 3, 4, named as A, B, C, D, E. Next, city B to city C, 3 roads. X, Y, Z. Means first road is A, X, second A, Y, third A, Z. Next, B to X, B to Y, B to Z, C to X, C to Y, C to Z. Means there are 5 into 3 which is equal to 15 ways to go from A to C. A to X, B to X, C to X, D to X, E to X. Similarly, A to Y, B to Y, C to Y, D to Y, E to Y. Next, A to Z, B to Z, C to Z, D to Z, E to Z. There are 15 ways to go from city A to city C via B. That is, there are 5 into 3 which is equal to 15 ways to go from city A to city C via city B. Next, let A equal to ABCD, B equal to XYZ be two sets. Then first, number of ways to pick two elements, one from set A and other from set B are A equal to A, B, C, D, B equal to X, Y, Z. So first element this, second element this. Similarly, AY, AZ. Next, BX, BY, BZ. CX, CY, CZ. DX, DY, DZ. Means total number of elements are 3 into 4. There are 12. That is, there are 4 into 3 equal to 12 ways. Next, number of ways to pick one element from set A or set B. Here or means here we will use addition principle. means number of ways to pick one element from set A and one element or one element from set B. So that means there may be A, B, C, D or X, Y, Z. Means total number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is, there are 4 plus 3 equal to 7 ways. Next, permutations. Sequential arrangement of elements of a set is called permutation of elements. Sequential arrangement of elements of a set is called permutation of elements. Next definition, an arrangement of a set of R elements from set of n distinct elements is called permutation, where 0 less equal R less equal n. Notation: P of nr, npr, npr, permutation of n distinct elements taken R at a time. Formula: P of nr equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial, where 0 less equal r less equal n. For example, permutation of elements of a set A equal to 1, 2, 3 taking 2 at a time means P of nr equal to, here set containing 3 elements 1, 2, 3 means n is 3. Taking 2 at a time means r equal to 2. P of 3, 2, which is equal to P of nr is n factorial upon n minus r factorial, means here 3 factorial upon 3 minus 2 factorial, since P of nr equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial, which is equal to 3 factorial upon 1 factorial means 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Next, number of different photograph of 4 students A, B, C, D taking 2 at a time are means P of nr equal to, P of n is 4 students means n equal to 4, taking 2 at a time means r equal to 2. P of 4 2 is 4 factorial upon 4 minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 4 factorial upon 2 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 upon 1 into 2. 2 to get cancelled. Answer is 12. That is, there are 12 different photographs. 12 different photographs. Next example. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed with no digit less than 5 with repetition allowed? No digit less than 5 means digit may be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4-digit number, consider 4 boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. Also given condition is repetition allowed of digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of digits means first bracket containing, first bracket has 5 choices. Similarly, second, third and fourth bracket also have 5 choices. Means here may be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For example, if we take here 5, here also 5, here also 5, 5. Maybe here 5, so here 6, 5, 8. And so on. Means first box has 5 choices. Similarly, second box has 5 choices. Third box has 5 choices. And fourth box has 5 choices. Why 5 choices? Because we have 5 digits. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of digits. Therefore, 5 into 5 into 5. This condition take place simultaneously. So here we used multiplication principle. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 5 raised to 4. 4 digit numbers can be formed. Here we stop.